Sushant, if you have a message, if you want to connect, if you want me to make a video and share something with everyone, please give me Queen of Wands or Hierophant. Please give me Queen of Wands or Hierophant if you want a video to be made, if you want me to make a video. Okay, so Hierophant is here. So welcome to my channel, and I'm not sure if the camera is on or not, but let me just check once. I'll check and get back. So yeah, it's working. Welcome to my channel. I just I was doing my monthly predictions, but Sushant did connect, and I want to know if there is a message. What is the message, Sushant? What is the message, Sushant, that you want to give? What is the message that you want to give, Sushant? What is the message that you want to convey or share with everyone? What is the message that you want to convey or share with everyone? So again, there is Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is number 10, and I usually smile when I see number 10, because I'm just still not been able to figure out what this number 10 is, and it's still coming like every time. So Sushant, can you please give a little more clarity on it? Sushant, can you please give a little more clarity on it? And I didn't see the full card that came out, but yeah, I think because I was meant to read completely all the cards that come out. So Sushant, can you give a clarity on what is this 10? What do we know with this 10? Can you give clarification? And yeah, so took me a while to see, and the card that is there is a Fool, and then I pulled out two cards which were about to fall down, which is Moon and 10 of Wands again. Now with this, what I can make out is, one, it feels like the moon has a relevance, and if a moon has a relevance, means that on 14th there is a solar eclipse and the new moon. So it's together, the solar eclipse and the new moon are together on the 14th, and though 14 doesn't make 10, 13 makes 10, but we are going to get closure, or something is going to start on that day, because if you see in this card, there is a sun and a moon that's coming together. So there's a card of an eclipse, and also with the Fool card, I kind of feel that this is the card where we started the journey of Sushant. So there's a cliff in that, there is a dog in that, and somebody was asking me a question about his dog. Somebody was talking about his dog, Fudge, a few days ago, and I think in the beginning also, when I started making the videos, he said that Fudge has something to do with it, or a dog probably has something to do with it. Maybe that's what is going to be revealed. So we've been talking about this, and I know that I've been talking about this from a long time now, that something about his body is or should be revealed, and probably with this moon, with this 14th, the moon cycle changing or new moon coming, that's what is going to come out, and that's what some kind of a dog is going to be of reference, maybe, or of any relevance, maybe Fudge, or maybe some other dog, but definitely. So let's just see with these cards what he wants to say, because they have words. I'll probably pick these. Sorry guys, my table is very small because there's small space, so cards keep falling down. Not that I don't respect them, I love them, they are my heart and soul, but still they kind of fall down. So let me just read these cards one by one to you. I'm not going to read them, I'm going to basically interpret them as and how they came, so that it's easy for us to relate to them and know what he's trying to say. So the first card that fell down is the card that's called Rainbow. It says there is rainbow beyond the clouds, and if you see in this card, there is basically a field like a farmhouse, and then there is a rainbow on, and it is said that on one side of the rainbow there is a hidden treasure that is there, and probably that's the treasure that's going to come out, like the truth, maybe his body. But yes, there is a field that we kind of see. There's a horse, like, because there's a unicorn card, we see that. Now the first card is the future. It says let go of the past and move forward. it kind of feels that some person is coming out of a gate. So somebody is going to come out and reveal some kind of truth and take this whole thing to forward towards future, or towards better reality, or the truth. So there is a growth that will come out of it, the truth. The person who's meant to come out with the truth is going to come now. The other card is help. It says the help you need is on the way, so keep waiting, watching for it. And that is what this says, that the help that we need to kind of bring everything, the truth out, is there. And the third card is invisibility. It says take off your cloak of invisibility and let your light be seen. And I think everything that has been invisible until now about his videos and everything that was showcased, it's coming out now. Next card is intuition. But if you see this card, there is a card, there is a person who's looking at a globe kind of a thing, and is looking at something. So maybe some videos, something is going to be released, maybe through media, but yes, something is going to come out. The card says next card says dignity. Hold your head up high and know that your unicorns are supporting you. That's when probably I think that everybody who's supporting Sushant is going to hold his or her head high and know it. And then there's a card of birth. It says be receptive to new idea, child, or situation. And that is what I see, a new situation coming up. And there is a new moon in this card, because the moon has just started in this card. And I think that's where the whole truth is about to will be coming out. But along with that, the next card that I see is the card of choices. It says there is another way. Ask your unicorn to help you find it. And with that, I kind of feel that probably maybe in the first scenario the truth might not come out, or probably all these people who are working on it, CBI and everybody, they'll have a choice that which way they want to go. Do they want to support the truth, or do they want to kind of kill the case? And the card that is next to that is the card of honesty, and that's why I think that they will choose honesty. The card says honesty will ultimately be rewarded. So I think they will choose honesty. They will choose to, and everybody is clapping for the honesty of this person who's standing in the center. And I think they will make an honest choice. And when they make an honest choice, that means that the truth is going to come out. That means that people who are meant to be punished will be punished. And that is why the honesty card is there. And the card next to that is the card which says closeness. Your unicorn is very close to you. And I think that means that Sushant is very close to us. And that also means that the truth is very close to us. The reality is very close to us. And the justice is very close to us. And the last card is the silence. It says be still, for all the answers lie in silence. And that is why I think that in the end it will be all silence and still, and we'll have all the answers. And that's what that I can kind of see on the unicorn cards. And the last card that I see here is also a card of laughter. It says laughter attracts unicorns, and there is a person who's laughing and dancing. And I hope that all of this kind of leads to that. Let's just figure out if there is any other card that he wants to give, especially in surrender cards, if he want to give us a message about something that we need to follow. And the cards that came out is one says surrender to setting limits. It is healthy to set boundaries in relationships. Practice expressing your needs, and remember that no is a complete sentence. And the second card says surrender comparisons with other people. Keep your eyes trained on yourself. Focus on your own strengths, attractiveness, and power. That's the message that he has. He probably could never do that. He probably could never set limits in his relationships. He probably could never focus only on himself. And that's what he wants us to do, that focus on yourself. All of us, we need to focus on ourselves. We need to say what we need to say clearly. And also with the card of choices, I kind of feel that there is a possibility that when these choices are made by whoever the authority or whoever the people are, will have a choice to say no or yes, will have a choice to accept it or not accept it. And when we only accept the truth, when we only support the truth, that is when they will be forced for the truth to definitely be revealed and coming out. Is there anything else that you want to say? So there is Four of Swords that has come. And anything else, Sushant, a clarity on that, or what is this relevance of Four of Swords? And there is world card. So basically it is saying that something that we have been thinking, we've been working about, that has been focus of our mind all for so many months, it is going to be revealed to the world. It is going to come out in 21. The truth is going to come out, and then there is a happy home, or there is a family card also. So probably complete relevance is there. And then the cards, the cards are where there is Six of Pentacle and Five of Pentacles. So probably the people who've been using money to kind of cover up everything, their money, they are running out of their money, and finally the truth will come out. Finally the reality will come out. Finally the dead will be alive from their graves, and they come out and they kind of reveal everything. So definitely finally everything will be revealed. And there you go. So we have patience, and then we have Queen of Wands. So have patience, Queen of Wands is also going to come out, and then there'll be a victory. So all of it is there. And guys, if I don't make videos in between, it's not that I'm not connected to Sushant, or it's not that he's not saying anything. Three of the Empress card, I've been getting this card whenever I connect with Sushant. Now probably this means that whatever happened to him, it happened for the growth of the whole world, or the universe for that matter, and he's providing that growth to a lot of people. A lot of people are growing with him, kind of taking charge of the situation as a soul. So I was saying that doesn't mean that he's not connected with me. It doesn't mean that he doesn't want there's no justice that is going to happen. It only means that there is nothing that he wants to tell as of now, because he wants us to kind of have faith and keep on walking or working towards his justice, and the truth will definitely be revealed. Thief might hide himself or close himself with money or cover himself with everything, but it always comes out. So the justice will happen undoubtedly. And not making the video doesn't mean that he's not connected. Have patience, guys. I don't make videos without his permissions, without him telling me to make a video, and that is why you don't have to be worried about it. Anything else, Sushant? So there is the cards that are Eight of Pentacle and Queen of Swords. Now Queen of Swords, we have a reference to Queen of Swords as well, but this is a card which is saying keep working towards what you're working upon. We are being guided, and definitely will everybody who's done whatever will kind of get to the grave. They will get where they need to for the justice to happen. So that is why you don't have to be worried, you don't have to be thinking. And if the video is not coming, don't get disheartened. It's not that he's not connected. Justice will happen for sure, and I hope this moon cycle actually reveals everything out and everything that he's saying. And usually, you know, he asks me to make a video when there is something that is about to happen, so that we know in advance. And with that, I think he also wants to tell us that we can have faith on him and the connection with him, because he's telling us things in advance. Because if you remember, the last video was exactly before those telephonic communications came out, and in the last video he had shown a card where I said where two people are talking to each other, and one person is listening to it, like not really, they don't know him, but he's listening from behind. And that's what happened, right? Two people talking to each other on the conversations, and all of us heard those conversations. So he always does that. So that is why have faith, take the lead of life. There is Chariot taking the lead of life. Thank you so much. All the best. Bye bye. Thank you.